Yo. Shaky on purpose.
Move it back.
I'll make it shaky on purpose.
Okay, what's up everybody? We've just arrived. Back has started. I'm in the fucking mood. Had a good time with Thomas. Thomas, say what's up.
Yeah, what's up?
Wait. Breen, say what's up. I'm with Jenna, with Callum. Yeah, I dropped the last GoPro. It fell out the car. Yeah, so this is a new GoPro I'm using it. So we've just checked in. It was quite a mission to check in. We had to, firstly, we came, put our bags down, waited for everyone to come. We have to wait for everyone. Then we waited for Thomas to come. He was stuck at the airport. Then we got everything registered. We got in, and we're one of the first people. And it's just such a sick vibe, and it's going down well. This is the first day. I'm gonna take this camera probably everywhere I go. I hope you guys are keen. Away. We're about to jump onto the Uber to the first event. We're going to Sound Factory. Say what's up. Sound Factory on the way. Let's go. Say what's up. What's up? What's up, WOOGANG? It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. It's the vlog. What's up? We're still out here. It's been a good night. First night's always a good night. So what's up? Hashtag vlog. It's full of vlog. Oh, hey! Full of vlog. Oh, hey! Oh, yeah, we're out here on the beach. So what's up, guys? We're out here on the beach. I think it's like 3 a.m. Where can they find you, Garrick?
I think you can find me predominantly at my house.
Okay, what's up, WOOGANG? It is the morning of the second day. We haven't got to sleep yet. This is sleep deprivation. I'm tired. Lucas, say what's up.
Am I in the vlog?
Yes, you're in the vlog. Say what's up. Hey, Scott, say what's up. Hello. What's up?
Are we on the vlog?
Yeah, we're in the vlog.
Yeah, we haven't gone to bed yet.
So it's the night of the first day, the morning of the second day. It's nearly 4:28. Away world, it's morning 2. Just went for my first run, feeling amazing. Let's come have a look at this view. I know you guys saw it last night, but alright, I'm gonna go join my friends at the beach now. What's an analysis of the ocean today?
No, it's a bit choppy out there. A lot of blue bottles. Wasn't too pleasant.
Okay, so apparently we can't swim in the ocean. There's jellyfish. So guys, tell us about range. Are we having a good time?
Yes.
Actually, we couldn't go to the beach. There's too many jellyfish.
Yeah. I went to Woolies and I got Woolies meal.
Sounds mad. So. We are putting
Hey! You vlogging?
Is she vlogging? Hey! Take a video for me. How? Just on me. Okay, we are on the pool. It's a good day. It's gonna be a good day. So what's up? Thomas, Gary, and Graham. We just dressed in preparing for the night ahead. I think we're going to Origin tonight, so yeah, get keen for that.
It's the big out over here.
Okay,
It's
we're
out.
out here. We're preparing to go out for the night.
For Becky Wood! Am I in this?
Okay, yeah, we're getting key for Origin. So Origin.
Origin!
Yeah, never been before.
We're going to Origins, boys.
We litty.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should.
Tori has been gracious enough to invite me as a +1. She got upgraded,
of course, dude.
and we are now living the experience. I don't know if you people have realized, but this is a BMW M5 series.
5 series.
And I'm standing on the seats. Probably can't even afford the seats. And I'm standing on one. Back, baby! We're on Convoy with another BMW. It's gonna be a fucking good night.
I'm working the most, no, I'm never gonna choke, and I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat. I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along.
We are on a fucking yacht. It is day 3, Matric bag. It's Matric bag day number 3. Free drinking, bros. Oh, I gotta say what's up.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
It's day 3 of rain. We are on our way. Okay, we're on our way to Sound Factory. It's gonna be a proper joy. We went to Origin last night, but tonight's gonna be Sound Factory for the second time. I hope you guys are keen. It's gonna be a fucking good night. So wait, sweet. Tell me where we are. Tell me where we are. Okay, what's up everybody? We're out here. It is sunset, day number 3. We're out with everyone. Say what's up. WOOGANG! We went to Sound Factory, and where did you go?
Sound Factory.
And then Azal.
Didn't go to Azal.
You didn't go to Azal. She's lame, dude.
Couldn't
But
catch a taxi there.
the sunrise, the clouds fucking covering the sun. Day 3, 3 sunsets in a row. We are soldiering on. Sophie, say what's up.
What's up?
Okay, what's up everybody? What do you think? I'm losing my voice. I'm flying out of it. Alright, it is Tuesday. I can't wait. It's on. And it's been a miserable day all day. And a lot of people aren't going out. But yeah, I think I'm going out tonight. Going out, yeah. See, the general consensus. What's up everyone? In the boat right now. Yeah, well, if you go out, I'll show you guys. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow. What's up, WOOGANG? As you can hear, I've lost my voice. Partying all night and all day for 3 days straight takes a toll on the body. So this lovely Tuesday evening, we decided to take it chill. It's 1 AM. I don't know if I'll stay up for sunrise, but we're just chilling. Don't worry, tomorrow we'll be back at it. I think this is probably all you're gonna see. I'll put this in the one vlog, and the vlog that'll come out next week will include the stuff from Wednesday till the end of the week. I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. Please like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, share it, like it, do whatever you want to. I really appreciate the fact that you're watching, and I hope to see you guys next week. Thanks so much. Cheers.